Hey guys, Arcade.com fan here. So today we're doing our usual. Oh, and then they're just gonna take off for a little bit. I don't know why they do that. So, anyways, yeah, we usually come out here and feed the seagulls, and because they're here so much, they leave a lot of spots there. It's like, man, did Jack Frost have a fit or what? Yeah, I'm just waiting for him to come back now. Alright, they're back. Yep. Hello, babies.
You gonna play patty cake with them too?
If they would be closer to me, I would. Yeah, it's always a funny dilemma giving them these crackers because they have to really work for it. Well, and then there's a lot of times they'll have to fly away with it like that, see? Then even over there, they'll see that and be like, "Oh man, let's go harass them. Try to get it." Yeah, see, they're all starting to flock in by They get pretty noisy. Once in a while, a semi will come by and make it hard to have them here, like over there. Yeah, slowly, day by day, they're learning how to peck apart the saltines. Ah, he's holding it funny. Oh, and he's... You see that he almost gulped it, and then he just threw it up again. Cool. That's one of my favorite things they do. Then another one is when they have enough of stuff going down at a time, their necks get really fat. They do this dance where they're like slithering back and forth. Oh hey, there's one of our favorite. His name's Lumpy, cause he has two lumps on him. We don't know how he got that, but yep, it just happened. Oh, maybe that one isn't. Oh man, he really just gulped the whole the whole cracker at once. Usually they can't, and they kind of struggle, but man, this one's a champ. Here, let's see if he can again. Oh, he's trying. Oh yeah, that is lumpy. I can tell because the one side's more bumpy than the other. Yeah, those kinds, they tend to kind of guard their cracker or food more than actually trying to eat it. There's even a drawing my dad has about Lumpy back from July this year. Oh, and another funny thing seagulls do is they'll lower their head and puff up their chest to look tough. Oh, there he's doing it. Oh, yep, he gulped it again. Haha, cool. The ones that are like the best gulpers are like the big white ones. Yeah, like even them, they still like kind of shake their heads afterwards. You know, because it's a little sharp. Sometimes there's enough of them pecking at the same cracker to make it peck itself apart better. Oh, he just did the throw up thing again. Yeah, I know it didn't get on camera, but he did. Oh. Oh no, hold on. Oh, dropped my vape. There. He's holding his mouth kind of funny at first.